Okay, so buenos dias.
Good morning, Mr. Forrest Dio.
Welcome to another session of breakfast. I did it again. I gotta stop doing that. Welcome to another episode of the breakfast sessions. There it is. You might want to get that lean in. There you go. And then make sure you hit the mark when you're talking on the microphone.
Hello.
There you go. Hello.
I'm Judah. Judah White. Hello.
Isn't that like a song? Hello.
I'm
From the
Judah.
other side. No?
I have no idea.
Okay, you guys don't listen to like the what's her name? Beyonce? No, that can't be Beyonce. Hello.
I thought you said fiance.
Fiance?
Yeah, I thought you said fiance for no reason.
Okay, don't clip the microphone though. That was very loud. No, I did not.
Oh.
So, something interesting that's on my mind, if I may share, is that conferences are this week for you guys, and I want to know what are you expecting to talk about? Like, what are you looking to share with your family and teacher?
Nothing.
During
I'm
this
just
time.
scared. I'm just scared.
Why? What are you scared about? Do you
For
think
no
you're doing
reason.
bad in school?
No idea.
Let's expand on that.
Because I never know what you're going to say.
What do you mean by that? Like, what would I have? Well, I mean, besides one or two little points, nothing dangerous.
I'm just a little scared.
It's not like you have a gang and you're like starting a little mean kids
Why
club.
are we talking about conference?
I don't know. I think it's interesting
I don't
because
know.
this is a good point and good outlet. No one's judging here. We're all just kind of hanging out.
I don't want to talk about conference.
I want to talk
Really?
about Monster Jam.
All right, fine and fair enough.
I just want to talk about random things.
Go for it.
Like Monster Jam.
Let's head over to Lucy and think. What is the random thing she's interested in?
A movie I watched.
I can't hear you. Gotta lean into
A
there.
movie I watched.
Go on. What's this movie you're watching?
The movie, the Bele one.
Oh, that's right. That's the badminton player or the
Soccer.
golf.
Soccer.
Got it.
S.
Soccer's the one where you have like a end zone inning,
Well,
right?
That's football.
And then there's like a half of it's like a swimming pool, and then you get the little ball thing in there. Is that the one? Is that the?
No, what
Am I
are
even
you
close?
talking about?
Judging by
Soccer?
Judah's face, I'm way off.
That's not football.
Soccer.
It doesn't.
Soccer is a big field.
Okay, there's a big field. Got that.
Big field, and they paint lines on it. Like
Oh, so it's like a painting race, like to see who
no,
can paint the
no,
fastest.
no.
Same thing with
No.
football.
I don't mind painting. It's a very peaceful,
No,
like you
no,
know.
Mr. Flores. You
endeavor.
don't understand.
Yeah, you
So they
don't.
paint.
You know why I can't
paint
understand? Because you're not
lines.
close to the microphone.
They paint lines,
Mhm.
and they paint it around like a square kind of rectangle shape of a field.
Okay.
And then they have a line in the middle, in the direct middle, and then they
Awesome.
make a circle in the half.
So do they hold hands while making this circle, or
No,
do they
no.
sing? So it's
For
more
the-
of like a
they're
choir-y
painting it.
painting.
No, they're painting. They paint the circle,
I think I like it.
and then
Painting.
They
That's-
have
so it's
a
called
ball.
football. So why would they call it football
they.
if
they-
there's paint
No,
and
listen,
circles?
I'm talking about soccer.
Do they paint with their feet? They paint with their feet. Judah's still giving me the
No,
weird look.
it's chalk.
That's not true, is it?
It's chalk
That's not
paint.
true.
Okay.
It's-
Could this be a sport though?
It
I mean,
is.
think about it.
Soccer is a sport, and
And
they
football.
have a ball.
I'm already on board
They
with the
have
painting.
a ball. They have a
And
ball,
it-
Mr.
from the looks of
Flores.
it, Belle is in too. I don't know about the
They
holding
have-
hands and the circle thing. I don't know if I'm a fan of
That's
that.
not how you play soccer.
You gotta keep that voice down, but yeah, I don't know about that.
Okay, can we just talk about the movie?
Sure,
instead
Monster
of-
Jam. Here we go. What happens?
The movie.
What movie?
Go on to Judah. Just go on to Judah.
She's giving up on everything right now. She's like, no, I'm not.
Sorry.
She pushed her breakfast away. She's like, I don't even have an
I don't,
appetite anymore.
I don't have any breakfast.
See? What did I tell you? Okay,
I haven't even had breakfast
My turn?
from the start.
fair enough. Monster Jams.
No, Monster
It
Jam. The
sounds.
monster
It sounds like a
truck.
middle school dance.
No, it's
No,
That's what I'm getting. I'm
It's
getting,
a monster truck thing,
Okay.
dude.
So you do realize we have headphones and microphones, and it's getting a little loud.
Oh.
Anyway, can you ask Imogene to sharpen it for you? Okay, anyway, so tell me more about what Monster Jam really is.
It's like a competition with monster trucks, and they have all these cool names, like Megalodon, Velociraptor, Gravedigger. I mean, they're
Gravedigger?
Oh. Sorry. Now I know what Monster Jam is. I know the Gravedigger. He was around when I was around watching those things.
It's a car.
And
I did Monster
my
Ma-
favorite
also.
thing out of that whole thing
No.
was the commercials. And I know that sounds weird, but
No.
as soon as the commercials went on the TV about monster truck shows, you'd get that one guy going, Monster Truck Show.
Oh.
Featuring the Gravedigger. And then you hear like, "Rah," and it's like big giant crushing like 15 cars at the same. They crush cars still, right? Is that a still thing?
No, I don't.
not anymore. I don't believe so.
No, they just try to kill the cars.
Well, what? And what did I say?
You said you crush other cars.
So
weaker.
maybe we need to define what killing cars means, because in my eyes, when a car goes on another car and crushes it, I'm to assume that it's no
Crushing.
longer a car. At this point, it's like a metal pancake.
No.
I could be wrong.
No. Monster trucks are about the size of this room.
Yes, I know the size, but what
And
we need to define what is okay.
And
She just told me to
cars
cut me off.
are about to the canestas over there.
Okay.
And if you were to define a monster truck compared to a car, you can definitely know size difference. And
Right. So now,
if a monster truck crushes the car, a regular sized car, then monster truck has killed the car.
how? That's what we're trying to figure
Running over it, not like dropping on it.
What?
Like driving
out.
over it.
Hold on. I did I say dropping on it?
Yes, you did.
Yes.
I
You
didn't.
did.
I said crush.
Crush is
Crush is a difference between.
Crush is technically the same thing as.
Is it though?
It's like stomping on a car.
And let's go to the
Stomping on a
audience.
fly.
What do you guys think? Is crushing meaning that it's gonna? What did you say? Get on the
Can
car?
we just continue?
Yeah.
You didn't get me to finish, but
Okay. Clearly, you're all against me today.
Okay, we just-
So there's
we
no
just-
winning
Just let's
With-
let Judah talk.
with 4-year-olds. So here we go. Go ahead.
but I'm really like the Megalodon.
What
Oh,
does the megalodon?
The megalodon,
look like?
is it as big as the Gravedigger?
Well, they're all the same size.
So then why did they give them names?
No, it's because they have cool designs.
Oh, the design. You know what? I'm gonna Google here. Hand me my phone. I'm gonna Google these things.
Okay.
Yeah,
Megalodon.
Good idea.
Monster truck.
And I don't know what they look like. I have 0% what they look like. I only have the Lego of what one looks like. What one looked like, and it's a pull back, and it was
Okay.
really hard to make.
While you guys talk to each other.
okay.
Megalodon.
I made a Lego monster truck. It was a pullback. It was very hard to make. It took me like 3 days.
This is very cool.
Wait, what does
What?
it look like?
I see the Lego version too. What? It looks like a shark.
I know a Megalodon is a shark.
It looks like a shark. Look at that.
Could I see?
Wow.
I know.
That is very. So this is your favorite?
Yeah, the Megalodon.
Can I show you the
Could I
Gravedigger?
see?
What was the original? Oops, sorry. Hold on.
No,
What was the original one? It was blue. Like around.
Oh, my brother had like a remote control one of those.
Well, that's what that one is. Right
Wait,
there.
was that the Megalodon or
Yeah.
Gravedigger?
No, I'm gonna look
It
at the
was
Gravedigger.
Megalodon.
Oh, I'm looking at the
Oh, the Gravedigger is
Gravedigger.
probably
But what
more
was
like
the
a
one?
coffin. or
What was the
something.
one that was like just the OG, the original monster truck? It was blue, and the
Blue
tires.
fire,
Was it?
Blue
But
fire?
I forgot the name of it.
like fire. It had fire, I think.
Alright,
did
search for
not-
the Velociraptor.
Okay, what's the other one called? Gravedigger.
Yeah, the
Grave-
Gravedigger. These headphones are bothering me. I had to take them off.
Yeah, the
I'm
Gravedigger.
taking them off.
That's so cool. No, you gotta lead them back on so you know when you clip the microphone. Which you guys are notorious. Well, not you. You need to go higher, but you can easily clip the microphone.
Clip.
See? Okay, yeah, I see it. This is actually
What
cool.
does
The
it
Gravedigger
look
is
like?
also very
What
interesting.
What does it look like?
But my favorite's the Megalodon.
Gravedigger.
Oh, I
No,
thought
Megalodon.
I thought it would look like a coffin.
I know what the
Right.
gravedigger
Oh,
looks
a black
like.
coffin.
I just showed you. That's
And then, can you look up what the classic
Yeah.
one looks like?
So
'Cause I think
classic-
it's like black. It's like a.
I thought it was blue.
flames.
Classic monster truck. So you're not going?
I'm not going.
You're not going, and
It's
you
too
are.
expensive.
It is pricey.
Well, for 2 people, it's like $200.
Yeah, that
But
sounds
to go
about
to the
right.
pit party is like $60 for 2 people. But to get
think it
to
was
the
this
pit
one.
party early,
It's back in the 80s. It's called the Goliath, which by now looks like a Toyota Camry compared to the other ones.
well,
I have a Toyota
The
Camry.
Oh my god, do you really?
Yes,
What is
it looks nothing like it.
Well, okay,
It's
you know
way
there's
smaller.
there's this
it's
thing
way
called
longer.
sarcasm. Well, of course it's way smaller, but if you compare this to the monster trucks that you guys are looking at live now, they're pretty small.
Can you look up the Dalmatian monster truck?
Well, unfortunately, we have to stop looking up things because we got to end the show. It's time to get started, and as you can
we
see, the
didn't
kids are
even
getting
talk
restless.
about that movie I watched.
I know, man.
And you
Let me-
didn't even understand
I'm so-
a thing. You
it's
didn't
because
understand
you
a thing.
did it. It was
You're
you.
clipping. I'm gonna call you Mr. Clips.
Okay.
All right. so
Clip.
anything you're looking forward to today? Something exciting that you're looking forward to today? Go ahead. Judah first.
Making video games, period.
Making video games. Period. Okay. Yep. How about you? Something you're excited
Talking
about?
to Mr. Squiggles.
Got
Who's
it.
Mr. Squiggles?
You will find out soon enough.
On another episode of
The Breakfast Sessions.
Bye.
I forgot what it was.
Say bye.
Bye.